Hello friends, welcome to Flavors by Winnie. Today I am going to share my journey with you, an idea that changed my life. I was a working woman until year 2010, but after the birth of my second child, I decided to become a full-time mother. I thoroughly enjoyed this period. Now both my kids are old enough that I can join a new job, but that will somewhere take my lot of time, and I may not be able to give all my time to my kids. In fact, my younger one always insists me to join somewhere, and he assured me that they are old enough to manage their own stuff and I can go back to my job. But I still prefer to be at home and enjoy the motherhood in raising them. I knew, looking at my responsibilities toward my kids, I will not be able to do any full-time job. During my free time, I used to watch a lot of videos on YouTube. One fine day, I saw a video of YouTuber Captain Pritika about work ideas for women. Then I realized I can still do something without joining a full-time job. It took me almost 6 months thinking about what should I do. Since food is my passion, I love cooking and love eating. After thinking a lot, I decided to create a YouTube channel, Flavors by Winnie. I give this credit to Captain Pritika. Through her videos, I motivated to start something my own. This is how this idea came and changed my life. Now I feel more empowered. It gives me immense feeling that I am also doing something and I also have a brand. Sooner or later, I will be successful in my idea and become famous as a home chef. Along with this, I am also associated with Home Foodie. Home Foodie is basically a platform where home chefs like me can sell their food online to reach out to larger community of food lovers. Like I can do, you can do too. And I feel very happy when people order my food. Now people do like my food.
Hello guys, I'm Ekagrita, and first of all I would like to congratulate Flavors by Winnie for completing their 1 year. And मुझे उनका चैनल बहुत पसंद है. वो बहुत अच्छी वीडियोस डालती हैं एंड काफ़ी इजी वे में डालती हैं, बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करती हैं और मेरे को बहुत अच्छे से उनका समझ आता है. मेरे को उनकी सारी रेसिपीज़ बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं एंड मैंने काफ़ी ट्राई भी किए हैं उनकी रेसिपीज़, जैसे कि सूजी मोदक के लड्डू, देन एक चॉकलेट केक, उसके बाद नारियल की बर्फ़ी, कोकोनट चटनी, मैंने सब ट्राई किया है और काफ़ी मेरे को अच्छा लगा उनका पूरा प्रेजेंटेशन एंड ऑल. तो मैं उनको आगे भी यही विश करती हूँ कि आगे भी वो ऐसी हमें अच्छी अच्छी रेसिपीज़ बना के डालती रहें और हम उनको ट्राई करते रहें. मेरे को पहले कुकिंग में बिल्कुल इंटरेस्ट नहीं था, बट उनकी रेसिपीज़ देखने के बाद मेरे को बहुत इंटरेस्ट आने लगा है और मेरे को काफ़ी ईजी लगने लगी ये चीज़ें. सो आई वुड लाइक टू wish them all the very best for their journey, and thank you.
Flavors by Winnie really rocks. When there was a party at my place and I had to order food, I got confused from where I can order in this situation of COVID. So I want to have homemade food as per my choice. So I had ordered from Flavors by Winnie and I got the food that was really yum. My friends really loved it. And also I also recommend the same. They can also order from them, directly call them also. They have a cooking channel also on YouTube by the name of Flavors by Winnie, and they have a page also on Instagram. So guys, please follow them. You can also order a food from them. I'm sure you're gonna love it. This is purely homemade food and different dishes, recipes also on YouTube. It helped me a lot for improving my cooking skill. I don't know much about cooking, so it really helped me in cooking. So guys, you can also follow their YouTube page also. So please go there and order a food for your choice. Enjoy yourself. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.
I have ordered multiple times different dishes, continental, Mughlai, Chinese, through the Home Foodie app from a kitchen named Flavors by Winnie. She is excellent in her preparation. All the dishes were absolutely fantastic and I love them. And I wish all the best to Vanna. Keep making dishes and I'll keep watching. Thank you.
Hi everyone, we tried several times while ordering food from Flavors by Vinny from the app called Homes Food, and every time we really like the taste and the quality. So I definitely recommend everyone to try that app and also the source called Flavored by Vinny, and I wish Vandana all the best. Thank you.
हेलो एवरीवन, अगर आपको घर का खाना खाना है, अगर आपको घर का खाना ऑर्डर करना है तो होम फूड ऐप के थ्रू आप फ्लेवर्स बाय विनी से घर का खाना ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं। काफ़ी स्वादिष्ट और लाजवाब खाना होता है और मैं ज़रूर रेकमेंड करूँगा कि आप उधर से ऑर्डर करें। थैंक यू।
হ্যালো, আমি ফ্লেভার্স বাই বেনি থেকে খাবার মানিয়েছিলাম হোম ফুডের থ্রু দিয়ে। খাবার খুব ভালো ছিল, নন ভেজ ভেজ আইটেম দুটোই ভালো ছিল। আপনারা একবার করে ট্রাই করতে পারেন। আমি আগেও মাঙাবো কারণ আমার দারুণ লেগেছে খাবার, और टेस्टी और फूड क्वालिटी वाज ऑसम। थैंक यू।
तो जब मेरी मम्मी ने फ्लेवर्स बाय विनी से खाना ऑर्डर किया तो व्हेन आई टेस्टेड, मैंने एक बाइट लिया और मेरे को इतना अच्छा लगा, क्रंची चीज़ी सैंडविच। एंड देन उसकी इतनी अच्छी क्वालिटी में आया था, लाइक फ्रेश प्योर होममेड, एंड इट वाज स्मेलिंग वेरी गुड फॉर द चीज़ वंस वर बेस्ट। देन I will recommend to order from Flavors by Vinny and just stay home, stay safe.
Today, 25th September 2020, we are celebrating our first anniversary on YouTube. I would like to thank everyone who supported me in this idea. I sincerely thanks to all my subscribers who supported us till now in my journey. Till now, we have created some 64 videos. We have approx 1700 subscribers. Once again, I would like to thank each one of you who supported me in my journey.